Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my Jelly Beans and Gingerbread. Welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. I hope everybody alright. Right now I'm going to the post office. See if I get mail. I'm supposed to get some mail. It's not here yet and I need it and it's very important. Now, the reason I'm coming on today is to talk about the whole hurricane situation. Hurricane Mathew that's passed Jamaica. Yeah, you know, Jamaica was spared, does get a little flooding. Now here in Florida it is projected to come here in Florida, you see, and it's going to come on the east side, and that's where I am, on the east side, you know, South Florida. That's the trajectory for the storm. Now I see a lot of people getting all excited and stuff like that, running up and down. Yeah. I don't know, for us Jamaicans we wait until the last minute. Not saying that's good, but we always wait until the storm is close, like a day out, just to basically see if it's actually coming. You know, we don't get all excited and, you know, go and stock up and stuff like that. We wait and see for a little while before we get jumpy and do all those, you know, all those madness that people normally do during a storm. But the reason I want to come on and talk about is because it's dangerous. It's a storm, you know, it was a category 4 storm, so you have to take it serious. If not, then, you know, you might be in problem when the heavy rain come if you're not used to it. So, hold on there, just reach. Alright guys, I'm back now. As I was saying earlier, the storm past Jamaica. It's hitting 80 right now. I know it's serious. It's really sad to the point where they've been flooded out and stuff like that. Jamaica got a little flooding. It spared us, which I'm grateful for that. But I made a post on Facebook saying that I wish we had, you know, get the storm instead of Haiti, because they haven't fully recovered from the hurricane that passed, I think, 4 years ago. I don't remember exactly when the earthquake happened in Haiti, but they were devastated, you know, the whole country. It was terrible. So for them to get a hurricane like this, a category 4 hurricane, it is very, 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 very sad. So I was saying in a Facebook post that I wish Jamaica had gotten the storm instead, but a lot of people disagree with me, and I do understand that. But the storm is projected to come to Florida. Well, I'm here in Florida, and you know, the skies, they look like they're getting ready for something. So I just want to say to people, if you're watching this or you're in this location or you're on the east side, because it's going up on the east side and it might even reach as far as North Carolina, South Carolina, just prepare for it. Get stuff ready, you know, keep an eye on the radar, you know, watch the news, keep informed, get water ready, set up your water and stuff like that. Get all those things ready just in case. Get your flashlight, you know, all those things that you need to get when you have an hurricane coming. So just prepare yourself and keep in mind that it is dangerous and you have to watch yourself. But for me personally, I think I'm going to be in the storm playing, jumping around, you know, watching it and stuff like that, probably watching people roof fly off and all of that. Yeah, but on a serious level though, you know, you have to keep safe in your house and stuff like that. So that's my message to everybody that is being affected by this storm, you know, sending out prayers for everybody to keep safe and stuff. But, you know, Mathew, see you. May have to kick it off one day, don't know. But yeah, see. I said Jamaican people, we're different, you know, we take everything, take serious thing, make jokes sometimes. That's just us, that's just our personality. But I think Mathew run away from his girlfriend because Nicole, there's an tropical storm, Nicole, they're behind Mathew in the Atlantic Ocean. So you have to watch out for that, and it always push from Africa, off the coast of Africa, and come into the Caribbean region. That's why we're prone to storms, because it push from east to west and it come over and sometimes hit America. So we're always in that zone where we're prone to hurricane. Because you see curve and it come up and all that, so we're just sitting in right in the middle, like the hot spot of hurricane. So we're kind of used to it, you know. So people get all excited and stuff like that. But keep safe, you know. Keep in touch with your friends and family. Ensure that you communicate with them so they can know what is going on with you and ensure that you're safe. So again, thanks for watching JVLOGS, guys. Keep subscribing and sharing. Leave your comments below. Tell me if you have been affected by the storm or family members affected by the storm. Ensure that you're keeping in touch with them. And you know, just keep safe. Have fun in the storm. JVLOGS. We're gone.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Ay, I'm back in